In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. Let's start by navigating to quickbooks.intuit.com. This is the main website where you can access all QuickBooks features, including managing your team. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you have those handy as you'll need them to access your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and look for a small icon that resembles a gear. This is the settings menu. Clicking this gear icon will open a variety of options that allow you to customize and manage different aspects of your account, so it's an important feature to know. In this instance, you'll want to focus on the Your Company section. Here's where you'll find a range of management tools that QuickBooks provides for your business operations. Once you're in the Your Company section, click on Manage Users. This is where you can oversee who has access to your QuickBooks account. It's crucial for controlling who can view and edit your company's financial data, so it's great to familiarize yourself with these settings. Now let's focus on adding your accountant. To do this, look for the option labeled Accounting Firms. This is typically a subsection within the Manage Users area where you can specifically handle collaborations with accounting professionals. You'll notice a button or link that says Invite Accountant. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter specific details about your accountant. What you need here is the accountant's name and email address. It's important you double check this information for accuracy because an incorrect email or name might cause delays or confusion in granting them access. Once you've entered all the necessary details, proceed to the bottom of that window or page and look for options that say either Save or Send. By clicking this, you are essentially sending an invitation to your accountant. They will receive an email on their end with a special link. This link is pivotal as it provides them with access to your QuickBooks Online account. It's incredibly convenient, ensuring the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Finally, you'll want to confirm that access has been granted. After your accountant receives the invitation email, they will need to accept it to complete their registration. You can verify this by checking in your Manage Users area again. Once accepted, your accountant will have full accountant level access, allowing them to manage and review your financial data as needed. And there you have it. Adding an accountant to your QuickBooks Online account can be done smoothly by following these straightforward steps. This ensures that your financial operations are well handled, letting you focus on running your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips.